Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can extend a background in Affinity by Canva. So what you'll need to do is basically use a crop tool. You can find it right here. So click on that one, and it will be better if you use simpler images, but right now I will use a little bit complex, and you'll see why you need to use a little bit simpler images. So as you can see, we did use a crop tool. Now we want to go to the rectangular marquee tool. So select that, select rectangle, and just do like that. Make sure it overlaps a little bit and select the layer. Now go to the pixel, click on Inpaint, and as you can see, now it looks kinda perfect, but usually it doesn't. So you can try like different tries and try to make it perfect. Or what you can do is basically use a brush tool. So let's select a brush tool. So what we'll need to do is basically go over like this on this tool, in painting brush tool, and right here you can select healing brush, patch tool, blemish removal tool, red eye tool, and basically in painting brush tool. So select that, and if we just select our layer, and let's say I want to fix like right here, as you can see, it will try to fix that. So that's how you can basically use this tool, and as you can see, it actually looks better. So you can try to mask that out, fix all of these. As you can see, now it looks kinda natural. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. See you.